Hello.
My shirt's up.
Put it down.
But it feels good.
Oh, I'm just gonna go over here with Channy.
Why can I like this?
Because it's surgical tape.
Oh,
I have to like just get your head in this because your shirt's up. There. She's making glasses that are gonna look like these glasses.
Oh,
Turn that back on! Why did you do that?
I felt like...
You're kidding me. Jason, give me my phone.
Hey, will you throw me my glasses?
Nope.
Please.
Hold this camera. Hold the camera.
Nope.
I think my phone.
Oh my gosh.
You couldn't have texted me before I
Nope.
went upstairs. Oh, you know what? I should have said more. He's not listening. What did you say? I said yes, and I said LOL, and he probably won't answer me now. Why? Because he never answers if you just say something like that. Why? I don't know. This is a loser. Oh, I didn't get your glasses, Jenny.
Ah!
This is a loser.
Hey, somebody put my hair in a messy bun.
What, you can't do it yourself?
No, I don't know how.
I thought there was a real
I need glasses.
I'm getting them, Jenny.
Let's hope it doesn't fall.
Where are your glasses, Chad?
In my bag.
In her bag.
Catch.
Yeah.
You're still recording?
It's a good thing my phone wins. Don't catch it, I'm just gonna throw it.
Okay. Break your wall. Oh, Brianna!
She looks so cute, doesn't she?
What? Oh, her nerd.
That's, you're supposed to.
What was I getting?
My nerd glasses.
But I was doing something else.
You didn't put my hair in a messy
You were
bun.
gonna put her hair
Oh,
in a
yeah.
messy bun.
I don't.
Let's
Fall,
watch.
sit down. On your knees.
Oh my
Are
god.
you too short? Scared.
Are you gonna molest me from behind? Oh, good.
Are you gonna tell somebody now?
I like it from behind.
Are you gonna tell Twitter?
Yeah.
You guys do know I'm recording.
Shut up. Where's my brush?
Oh gosh.
They're all into my forehead. Okay.
Brianna, stop.
Stop moving, Brianna.
You're making this difficult.
Oh. I didn't know that. I was just making it spicy. Your hair is so short.
Let's not say we didn't. Brianna!
I'm gonna shoot you in the face.
Hey, you're doing the push-up.
Don't turn my head. Okay. How am I supposed to get your hair in a messy bun?
You're gonna figure it out.
Because your hair's so short.
You're gonna figure it out.
It's gonna be
You want to
very-
do my hair?
I'm pretty sure hers is shorter.
It is.
It's so tiny, I can't do it any different.
It's like to the side.
Oh my god. Mackenzie, are you ready?
Oh,
For
Jeffrey.
what?
No, remember those ones?
Oh, wait. Hold on. I don't. Hold on. Wait. Get up here.
Turn it on. I mean on. Move. Ow, that was my bum.
Guys, I look like a nerd.
What's the point? Hey, I'm
I look like a stupid nerd. Dude, what's up with this hair?
I kept moving your head. She's gonna play guitar.
It's missing a string.
You broke it?
So, I'm awesome.
Brianna. You look awesome.
I know. Okay, guys, you sing my nerd song. I have no nerd song. I'm just kidding. Okay, I'm just gonna make my nerd song up.
Here.
What is that?
It's a guitar pick.
Oh, I thought it was a Band-Aid.
Yes, I'm giving her a Band-Aid.
I was wondering why. Go ahead.
I don't know what to say.
I'm a nerd.
I'm a nerd.
Are you even playing anything?
I was trying.
She's a nerd.
I'm a nerd.
He replied. He said, "Be right back." I'm kind of getting tired of him.
You ruined my song for that?
Yes. Go.
No. Just no.
Okay.
You ruined my song for that.
Here.
Just
Here.
get away. Just point the camera at her.
My dark days. My dark days.
Where's mine? I can hear mine.
Know everything.
No.
Oh, gosh.
Know everything. Yeah.
She's a nerd. She knows everything.
Oh.
Oh, I was being Miss Swan, but okay.
Miss who?
Swan. I should show you. And